Good morning. This is Srikanth, Assistant Professor of Triple Department in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the power electronics equipment experiment, that is a single phase full bridge rectifier. We are going to discuss now. In this single phase full bridge rectifier, will be having 4 thyristors, and rectifier is nothing but which converts AC into DC supply, the input AC into DC supply, and the rectifier will be having 4 thyristors. These 4 thyristors are because of using thyristors, this rectifier is also called as a control rectifier, single phase full bridge control rectifier. In this kit, we are having internally all the connections are connected between the SCRs and between the load. And in this kit, load is also connected internally, no need to connect external load. In this, first only we need to connect only thyristor gate and cathode terminals of T1, T2, T3 and T4. And here are the gate signals for TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. First, let me connect the gate signals. TP1 gate to gate and TP1 cathode to cathode, gate to gate, cathode to cathode. And in the same way, TP2 gate to TP2 gate and TP2 cathode to TP2 cathode. Here TP3 gate to TP3 gate and TP3 cathode to TP3 cathode, and TP4 gate to TP4 gate and TP4 cathode to TP4 cathode. Here we are going to keep the knob, firing angle knob at 0 degrees initially, and the load terminals of the circuit of the kit are to be connected to the CRO probe. And this the load other terminal also is connected to probe terminals. Now we need to switch on the CRO and circuit terminals, and we need to switch on the power knob in the circuit. Here we are getting the rectified output voltage, that is, this is the positive half cycle, this is the positive half cycle, and negative half cycle is converted into positive. This is the rectified output voltage which we are getting with this single phase full bridge rectifier. And here also we need to note down the waveforms at different firing angles of 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Okay, so first we are changing the firing angle into 30 degrees position. We are changing the firing angle into 30 degrees position. At this position, the delays of 30 degrees, which is showing here, and we need to note down the waveform. And next, we need to take at 60 degrees. This is the waveform at 60 degrees. The firing angle delay is 60 degrees here. And next, this is of almost half of the sine wave. This is at 90 degrees point. This is the waveform. And next, 120 degrees. This is the 120 degrees waveform. The delay is increasing. The voltage magnitude is reducing. When we are going on increasing the firing angle, the voltage magnitude will reduces. Here we are getting the different firing angle control in this. This is the single phase full bridge off wave rectifier output voltage presentation. Thank you for watching.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.